Hello, tutor. My name is Mamila Graf Camargo. The place to visit is the old city, its people, its architecture, its beaches, its viewpoints, its churches and old houses. You can do everything in this magical place. You must go to the Sierra Nevada and the El Rodadero and Santa Marta Historic Center. Write for recommendation. You, you have to visit the Historic Center. The people have to go to Taganga. You must not change money in the strip. You have to visit the aquarium and museum in Santa Marta City. If that soul split, that devil would be close. If you pass under a lariat, you would have bad luck for 7 years. You will have a bad day if you head talk with your left foot. You have to travel to Santa Marta all the year. There are cheap and expensive hotels from 70,000 Colombian pesos to 109,000 Colombian pesos. You must go to Rodadero. It is very nice and comfortable. The typical food of Santa Marta is coconut, rice, fried fish, and beer. The typical drink in Santa Marta is the Águila beer. You must take a taxi in Santa Marta. You must know Spanish and English language. You have to carry Colombia pesos and dollars. You do not have give a tip, but if you have to thank for the attention provided, it is not mandatory. Thank you.